Today we will see how to use Groq step by step and what Groq is. It is mainly needed for transcription. However, let me mention that Groq only supports English. For other languages, they can't really provide accurate results. Transcription basically means generating text from audio, so for this purpose, Groq works very fast and is very efficient. Actually, it only works for English, but for other languages, it doesn't work. In this case, now you can click on Get API Key, or you can search on Google. For Groq API, you need to go to your API key. After that, you can sign up directly with your Gmail, or you can use GitHub, or you can use your email. It's up to you, so let me show you a bit. Let's see, I've done it with this. So I tried continuing with Gmail. See, it's already signed up. And here, what you need to do is click on Create API. You have to generate an API. However, due to Groq's recent update, now you have to add a card. If you don't add a card, it actually doesn't work like this anymore. So as you can see here, I already have this created, but let me create another one here. Test. Once I have submitted the form, the system will provide me with exactly 1 o'clock back. So it has returned, and I will just add this return here. After adding it here, I will test it. If it validates, meaning if it works, then I will click save. So what's happening here is this. If you go to billing, you'll see that the current plan is free, but their limit is very low. So you can use it for testing for free. There's no problem. However, sometimes you'll need to add a card, but in this case, it worked without adding a card. If you do need to add a card, when you create it, it will ask you to add a card, but it won't charge any money at that time. As long as you don't use it, you can just add your card and generate the API key. I hope I was able to explain it clearly. Thank you.